Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining today's discussion. I really appreciate your time and a part of this, being a part of this focus group discussion. I'm here on behalf of the research team actually, and our aim is today gaining the honest feedback and opinion about digital banking services. So, and also that is when it comes to digital banking, the research is about how we are going to use it and what works and what doesn't work, and what we can improve, totally depending on your insights and what we can do to give a better service and enhance the experience of customers like you. As a quick note, the name of the bank will not be mentioned during the recording because it has already been shared with you in privately and will be addressed as the bank in going forward. There are no right or wrong answers here. Please feel free to share your personal experience and opinions openly. This session will completely confidential and your names won't be linked to any specific comments in our final analysis. We all have four short rounds of discussions today, covering your current usage, challenges, views on competitors, and expectations. I may ask follow-up questions during the session just to get a deeper into some points. Before we begin, can I kindly ask everyone to introduce themselves briefly, just your name and what you do? We'll start with Mr. Gamini.
Good evening. I'm Gamini. Actually, I'm dealing with the stock market. My main bread and breakfast is that stock market now.
And Ms. Tirin.
Hi, I'm Thirini. So I'm currently working as a IT industry. So basically, we can known as a kind of IT professional. Thank you.
And Ms. Asanka.
Thank you, Pawan. I'm Asanka. I'm a small business owner.
Ashani.
Hi, I'm Ashani and I'm a Sri Lankan working abroad.
And Dilki.
Hi, I'm Dilki. I'm a university student.
And Mrs. Wu.
Hi, I'm Tarindu. I'm working as a school teacher right now.
Okay, great, perfectly. Thank you. And let's start the session. And you will be having four rounds of questions, as I said before. And each round, you all can follow the same order that you have been answered, starting from Mr. Gamini and then Tilini, Asanka, Shani, Dilki, and again ending with Tarendu. So you can follow the same procedure. And once I ask the question, you can start in the same order. I won't be calling the names. You can start giving your answers. So starting the round one, this is basically on awareness on current usage. And uh, so to start with the awareness and current usage, let's begin by talking about your experience with digital banking. So I just need to know, do you use banking digital platforms frequently? And if so, how often and for what purposes you are using? Let's start with Mr. Gaman.
And actually, I'm still prefer to go to the branch because I'm mainly doing large transactions. So I feel safer dealing with persons. So I have used apps one or twice time because they introduce it to me, but I'm not comfortable from with the apps. Thanks.
Um, so in my case, so I use the app almost daily. So basically to pay bills, to transfer funds, and even I use QR payments as well. So compared to other apps like DFCC and FreeMe, so this app feels more stable, but it's modern.
Yes, Pawan, I use it mostly for fund transfers because I usually getting money from various suppliers and also checking balances. But when the app hangs or doesn't show real time data, it affect my work.
I rely on the app to send money to my family in Sri Lanka. Sometimes it works smoothly, but there are days when the transactions take too long or it even fails.
Yeah, I use it mostly for payments and checking saving goals, but also I explore other apps like NDB, NUS, and FreeMe. They feel more engaging.
Yeah, I use it like once or twice a month, mostly to pay my bills. But the thing is, I always forget to how to log into the system, so I end up calling hotline every time.
Okay, great. Thank you for giving that comprehensive answers and honest feedbacks on the awareness and current usage of our digital products. And also, moving again to the next round of questions, that is mainly we are focusing on pain points and concerns, what you are facing while you are using these platforms, because what we need is what we believe is if we get the correct feedback from the customer, honest reviews on the customer, we can just develop our product, see the pain points, address your pain points, will give you the perfect product that you expect. So to start, my next question is, what difficulties or concerns have you faced while using the digital banking, and what holds you back from using it more frequently? So let's start with Mr. Gamini again.
Sorry, Pawan. Actually, I'm on mute. I'm worried about the pressing the wrong button and losing money. So actually, I prefer and very comfort with banking with my banking officers. So that's very convenient to me. So digital feels very cold and risky to me.
So Pawan, in my case, uh, but I feel it be like more intuitive. So some features are hidden. Also, sometimes the biometric login also doesn't work smoothly.
So for me, actually, when transaction get delayed or the system lags, it directly impact my business. I need fast, reliable service, and also especially during peak hours, I need fast and reliable service. Thanks.
In my case, there should be better support for international users. Sometimes I don't receive transaction confirmations, and that makes me nervous.
For me, digital banking is functional, not but not very exciting. I like budgeting tools, cashback, or even a reward system. Right now, it feels like a bank-like, not interactive.
Yes, Pawan. So I need help every time I'm using it. So a short video or guided tutorial would help me. Also, live chat should be easier for me to access.
Okay, thank you so much for those honest reviews. I will certainly make a note of those. And also moving on to the third round of questions, it is basically on how you deal with our competitors. I know we all are using multiple platforms. We all have the access with the digitalization, getting the access to these multiple platforms. So going with the question, my question is, have you used any other bank or fintech apps? How do you compare with uh, our bank's platform? So starting with Mr. Gamini again.
So no, Pawan, I'm not using other apps. So Here people talk about other apps like Sampatish and others, so but I feel the systems are very complicated. Thanks.
So yes, Pawan. So DFCC, Virtual Wallet, and Primi are more clean and faster. So those feels secure but lack the modern feel of those platforms.
Yes, Pawan, I have used HNB Solo. It had better notifications and smoother transactions, but I still prefer bank for reliability.
Yes, I tried other international apps. The difference is user support and speed. Bank's app needs better response times for expats.
According to me, Freeme is used more fun. They have mini games and offer and leaderboards. Bank is strong and security, but not very engaging.
Yeah, I use BOC app to pay some school fees. They all feel similar, but the thing is, I struggle to understand the terms in most apps, also including the bank terms as well.
Oh, okay. Nice to hear that. And moving on to the fourth round of question, that is basically on what to expect. So I know you have your drawbacks using online banking, digital, moving to digital platforms. You have your preferences, and also last thing I just need to know is what are your expectations, or what are the unmet needs you have when it comes to digital banking. So let's start with the question. And so my question is, what features or improvements would you like to see in bank's digital platform? If you are moving forward, what are the features you are preferring to see in our platform? So let's start with Mr. Gavini again.
Actually, Pawan, a dedicated help desk. There is a dedicated help desk at the branch for digital support. I think it would help people like me. So actually, I need the human touch.
Um, so in my case, I feel that they update the UI. So I need to add features like dark mode and spending analysis and one-click repeat transaction. So and to fix the biometric login as well.
For me, Pawan, actually a business mode with dashboard for income, expenses, and real-time alerts would be useful. And I also want to transaction summaries in one place.
I think improving international remittance flow would be useful. Maybe show estimated delivery times and auto retry failed transactions. Also, add currency conversion info.
Yeah, according to me, it's better to add rewards, saving goals with progress bars, and limited time prompts, and make banking feels like a lifestyle, not a car.
Yeah, I think give a step-by-step guide, maybe even a voice assistant in Sinhala, and make it easier to recover passwords without calling supports every time. That's
Okay, great. Thank you for those lovely feedbacks. And once again, thank you for the honest and thoughtful contributions today. Your feedback has given us a well-rounded view of how different customers experience and our digital banking platforms. That's you value and where you face difficulties and what more you are expected from us. So every insight shared here will be reviewed carefully and used to improve our digital services and communication, whether it is simplified app, enhancing international transactions, or adding features that make digital banking more rewarding. We are committed to create a platform that serves all of you better. And thank you once again for your time and for helping us to shape the future of the bank. Thank you all. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you.